Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. So, the text that I decide to share here from chapter 6 is, well, the comment on text 5. Manna eva mannacyanam karanam bandha mokshayo bandhaya vishaya sango muktya nirvishayam manna. So, our bondage, as it could be said, is what we choose to do in our mind. And it's our attachment to the material things. Because we are not our bodies, we are not our minds. By intention and worship, we always experience the spiritual in the material. Don't misassociate material things. God desires, and it is done, but humans and other beings are given the opportunity to act out the will of God. Look beyond the social and economic status of philosophers and spiritual leaders. Rituals should acknowledge who is the real owner, and that our God may have features. Oh, our bodies may have features, but that is not us. So really, okay, okay, the E's like, okay. Work according to capacity, more than demand. There is better prayers than for wants or even needs. We are the operators of faculties we will never understand like God does. It is natural to want to hurt the blasphemer. Created forms are closer to mimicry than being as gods. Ever realize that you can't always get what you want? It is not for us to just invent philosophy. We should realize our limits. Some things are not done as examples, but are right. Ahamkara, created thing to do, is as the state rather than the being we should identify as. The buddhi, observant, comprehends and reasons things out. Chitta, the ground of mind, is the processes of mind or its structures. The high mind, as it would be called, the mesolimbic system. The manas, mind, is the general psychiatric activity. These are the four antahkaranas, intercause, or the four parts of the antahkarana of psychology, to go beyond, to break the purposes of clinging. That is called the reason to reincarnate. Ego, Atman, intellect, memory, mind, are as the psychology and living existence. There's distinguishing between each of those, but yeah. Pilgrimages are for knowledge and transformation instead of the places and the outer forms. Fight not the bodies, but evil and ignorance. One should be careful what he hinders. Demons may try to break or prevent our offerings. What is accepted doesn't depend on that God is without form or quality, but owner and final operator of them all. All those of God names, even terms like Son of God and Automia indicate some of these things. We must develop our thoughts and actions, but spiritual experience doesn't provide realization by acting in hope alone. Regardless of your habit, try to divide equitably. We all must serve something, and serving the real master is our ultimate purpose. We will gain consequences for our deeds here and after life. Everyone has a unique blend of material, marginal, and spiritual energy. False independence is to deny lust for enjoyment, are the true obligation of limits of our potential, while seeing ourselves as a particle of divine qualities. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.